What are y'all doing in the trunk, bruh?
Boy, if you don't...
What up, boys? Today, we got the rear balance. I don't know if you guys could see it. It's right in the back. But today, we're going to be putting that on. It should be easy. There should only be a couple bolts. Hold up, let me see. I'm pretty sure there's a bolt like right here and right here. And maybe some on the side over here, but I'm not too sure. But we're going to get into that. The thing is, actually, the one I have doesn't have the holes that go right here. So I'm going to have to drill some in there. Oh, now that I look at this, oh, that's going to be kind of hard. I don't know. I think we'll be able to do it. We'll be able to do it. We'll be chilling. We'll be chilling. It's just going to look better overall. It should fit right away. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to do a little bit of modifications. That's just how it is. I got it off of ECS Tuning. So if you guys are looking to get some, actually wait to see if it fits good though. Wait to see if it fits good before you guys go cop it. Let me try and show you. There's one right there. And the other one is right next to the exhaust. I got my little thing. Let me take them off real quick. Pretty sure now you guys can see there's one more right here connected to this. I don't think this one's connected, but I'm gonna take that one off too. But this should be the last one, and there's another one on the other side, and it should be coming off after that.
All she tryna do is get naked, naked, naked. And she gon' shake it like a red nose, like a red nose. And she gon' shake it like a...
Don't let your kids watch it.
Took off all the bolts. It should be ready to come off. I'm telling you guys right now, if this don't come off right now, I don't even know. I don't know. Boys, there we go. That's low-key a little bit. You gotta give it a good push, boys. Don't be scared. I don't want to break it, but yo, that looks so weird.
Why you bullying me?
Pretty sure it's gonna fit good, but look, this is pretty much. Bruh. Yo, that's gonna. And don't worry about the scratches, boys, because I'm gonna get this painted or wrapped. I'm not sure yet. We gotta get the holes drilled. Oh, chill, bro. You said, Steve, what are you doing, bro? I thought you were gonna catch. Oh, Steve Jr. My bad, my bad. I thought you were gonna catch that, bro. I'm thinking it's the biggest one, but I even think it might be too. No way. No way, bro. This fits in the exhaust tip. Get your timers ready, because let's see how long it takes you to set this up. I already know how to do it, so we'll see. Go. Oh, no. Oh, no. There we go, there we go, there we go. Come on, come on, come on. Go, come on. There we go. Oh, shoot, oh, shoot, oh, shoot. I'm choking, low-key. Nah. Chillin'. All right, there we go. Oh! We got our weapon. We got this. Boys, I have honestly one chance to do this, and honestly I'm gonna just cut one in the middle and then I can work out of it, you feel me? Because if I cut on the side, what if I cut too much? Oh, my freaking tripod just broke. I was trying to set it up, and look, the freaking light came off. But alright, we got the first piece off, boys. Look at that. And you saw my hand twist. My dad told me about that. I wasn't sure what he meant, but now I know. That's why I put it up against me, boys. But look, it has a clean hole though. End up not being the right place to put the holes. Oh, I'm gonna just still run it like this, bro. I'm gonna have holes all over the place. Right now, I'm gonna just cut down through this right here, just like how that one has it right there. You know how it's out, because the exhaust tips won't fit if I don't do that. So I have to saw this out real quick. Don't worry, boys. At the end, I'm gonna freaking sand it down, make it look smooth. I had to cut the camera, boys, because this is annoying. But look at it. Look, check it out. Check it out. Look, I know it looks dumb right now. Don't worry, I'm gonna clean the edges out. It's gonna look all round, but look how close I am for it to fit. Oh my god, I just need a little bit off on this side, and it should fit. Cause look, the rest of it is fitting good. It's fitting good. After the longest time, look. Hold on, let me put the trunk down. This is pretty much what it be. Oh, hold up, I think there we go. This is pretty much what it's gonna be looking like, boys. As you guys can see, it's still kind of messed up right here. I'm gonna clean it off, like the edges, they're gonna be all smooth and everything. It's not gonna look all rough and ugly like that. And then I gotta fix this, because this doesn't go all the way in. But there's like a little thing you cut right here. I'll show you guys once I get to it. And then I'll slide in more, and it'll fit flush and everything. It's the next day. Today, all I gotta do is drill 2 holes onto there, clean the edges around that, and get rid of this little part right here. So like this little part, but on the other side, you can slide in there and it'll be all flush and everything. I tried to find the sandpaper I had, because I had some from when I did my wooden trunk. I don't know if you guys seen that video before, but I still had some, but I couldn't find it. So I might have to go get more. For the boys, the finished product. Let me show you. That's how it looks, boys. I'm kind of in the shade right now, so you can't really see it as good, but it looks good, boys. I just gotta clean it up a little bit, but this is pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys so I get this video. It looks sick. But look, there's a random ass freaking Pokemon card over here. I guess it's his, bro. Here, sorry, bro. You dropped that? You dropped that? Nigga. Looks pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. I got it off of ECS Tuning in case anybody's trying to buy it. And guys, I got a lot of things coming. Just give me some time. Give me some time. I'm working on some things. But just make sure to come back because I got a lot of things coming. But that's it, boys. I'll see you guys on the next video.